What's up guys, how's it going today? I'm just chilling a little bit in Chicken Gun, and yeah, let's jump into the game. First up, I'm gonna go into store. I have over 1 billion coins, so I'm not gonna worry about whatever I'm buying. So first up, let's get a new gun, cause this thing sucks. Let's get a gun that looks stylish and also does good damage. That seems pretty good. Okay, and let's also get a backpack, cause I don't have no backpack on the back of me. What about crutches? Nah. This looks pretty cool, but nah. I don't think we need a backpack. Imagine. I'll take this. Yeah. I guess. So now we're gonna go to other modes. We're gonna go to Elite Squad, and we are not gonna shoot and stuff. We are going to fight for coins. Literally. Y'all will see when we're in the game. You click start now. Then you have to collect the icons that pop up on the screen. For example, like that. It shows where to go to get one, and that's a monster. I can shoot it. I just glitched out in any way. Oh no, I'm cooked because I'm lagging. But yeah, trying to kill them is pretty dumb because usually they don't really die easy. Except if you have the gun that one shot, and I don't really like that. I like automatic shooting. I don't like shoot, reload. I like automatic. So yeah, if I collect all 22 boxes, I get 83 coins, and at the moment I have 1 billion. So I think y'all understand how bad I've been grinding in this game. Oh no, I died for my first time. I just try and run as fast as possible to get away from them and grab the boxes. It takes about 10 minutes to complete a round. I already know exactly where all the boxes are. I'm gonna die now because of course they all gang up on me. They are literally monsters ganging up on me. Let's go to the one that's usually pretty hard to collect, because you have to grind to get up here. Okay, good. At the moment we have, wait, I'm lagging. We have 9 boxes. Just like 13 more, I believe. Yeah, 13. Then we're done. So yeah, done with that one. Okay, this thing's gonna kill me for sure. Bruh, like, bro, why am I lagging? Literally, I can hide in here if I want, but the small creatures can get into the buildings easier than the big creatures. Why? Bro, they're ganging up on me. How further you get in the game, how more boxes you have, how more they gang up on you, I would say. I don't know how to explain it. We're definitely gonna grab one over here. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. And then also over here, yeah. Okay, and then also over here before they all come gang up. Okay, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay, good. I got 15. Oh, I accidentally skipped this one. Oh, I didn't. It's another one. Okay. Let me just get it. I'm not really shooting and killing. I'm just running as fast as I can away from these things, because I'm just gonna waste all my times and literally die every second if I do that. So yeah, let's just go in here. Nothing. Sometimes I get confused with random buildings. let's get the one in this building. It's on the 2nd floor, I believe. Yeah, so let's get it. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm cooked. I'm just gonna stand and wait for them to kill me. Okay, respawn. Let's go get the one over there. I'm pretty sure it's the other one in the other motel. Okay, good. Oh, hell no. Okay, they ganged up. I literally didn't have a choice of survival. Okay, so at the moment we have 4 boxes left that we have to get to go to the helicopter, and then if we're in the helicopter it's gonna fly us to a special island, and then we're gonna get our money. I just like playing this game, like it's so, I don't know. Okay, right over here. Okay, one more box. Wait, I'm lagging. One more box. Oh, it's a random one in the street. I know by now which one. I'm probably gonna die before I reach the helicopter, and then I'm just gonna respawn and then run for it. Oh, it's not a random in the street. Oh, it's in the building. Damn, I skipped it. I'm cooked. Look there. I could have made a run for it. Sorry. I could have made a run for it, but they would have got me anyway. Okay. Now at the chopper. This is usually an online game, but at the moment nobody's in the game. I'm technically in a private server, like in Roblox. So yeah, over here they take me to an island. It's pretty dark, but I saw how they took me to the island the other day because it wasn't dark, it was entirely light for some reason. And then this is what the game gives you. And XP puts you on a better level, I would say. So yeah, this is it. Let's just go over here. Let's buy me something new like shoes, because my shoes are pretty bad before I end the video. And then you all should go, not like and subscribe, but actually install this game, because it's pretty W. Are you all thinking about the slipper shoes? Nah. No army shoes for me. What the hell? What shoes should I get? And for eyes, I can literally get glasses instead of actual eyes. So yeah, there's no way I'm changing my eyes. Okay, sure, let's change our skin. Hell no. Nope. Okay, this will look really cool. No, for sure this. Okay, let's buy that skin. Okay, we just got a W skin. W video, W everything. This is my account, RamboFriend0. No, I'm not changing my username. Okay, comment in the chat what should I make my username for only a day, and then I will actually play online and see people's reactions. Yeah.